Good morning, students of class 10th. Today today I am going to teach you a very important poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. This poem is your last poem of term 2nd. This poem has been written in ballad form. Ballad form is the form in which a story is described during a rhythm. A poem also tells us about a story. In this poem, you can see that there is a story which is related to a small girl named Valinda. Valinda is a small girl who has many animals. It is a long poem. You can see at the board. Today only three stanzas will be taught. Now open your book and the title is written above, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. And as I reading, follow me words by word. Okay? First stanza. Valinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and little grey mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a really truly little pet dragon. The first stanza tells us that Valinda's house was not big. She would live in a small house. There were many creatures in her house, such as a small black kitten, means a small baby of cat, and there was also a grey mouse and a little dog which is yellow in color like mustard, and she had also a red carriage. Besides having these animals, Valinda had also a real dragon named, the name will be described in the second stanza. Now I want to explain this stanza in Hindi also. Valinda एक छोटी बच्ची थी जो एक छोटे घर में रहती थी. उसके पास एक छोटी काली बिल्ली थी. उसके पास एक छोटा भूरे रंग का एक चूहा था और उसके पास एक छोटा डॉग भी था, कुत्ता भी था, जो बिल्कुल सरसों के समान पीला था और वेलिंडा के पास एक छोटी लाल रंग की गाड़ी थी और उसके पास एक रियलियो मतलब यहाँ पे बताया गया है वास्तविक, और उसके पास एक वास्तविक ट्रूलियो सच्चा एक ड्रैगन था। नाउ सेकंड स्टेंजा, now the second stanza limit is now the ... custard. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, and the little grey mouse she called him Blink, and the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard, but the dragon was a coward and she called him Custard. During second stanza, the poet wants to introduce these animals, especially their names. Now he tells us that Belinda has the cat named Ink. बेलिंडा के पास एक जो छोटी काली रंग की जो बिल्ली थी उसका नाम इंक था, एंड द ग्रे माउस, एंड बेलिंडा कॉल्ड हर माउस ब्लिंक, वह अपने चूहे को ब्लिंक कहकर पुकारती थी, एंड द लिटिल येलो डॉग, और उसके पास जो काला उसके पास जो पीले रंग का जो डॉग था, लाइक मस्टर्ड, किसके समान, एक सरसों के समान जो पीले रंग का जो कुत्ता था, ठीक। द डॉग वॉज कॉल्ड लाइक मस्टर्ड बाई वेलिंडा, वेलिंडा के द्वारा उस कुत्ते को मस्टर्ड कहा जाता था, एंड शी हैड ऑल्सो अ रियल ड्रैगन. The dragon was really a coward, a timid creature. वह वास्तविकता में एक डरपोक प्रकार का प्राणी था. It was called custard by the Belinda. Now you will see the third stanza. Custard ... toes. The custard the dragon had big sharp teeth. Now the poet describes about the custard who was timid, जो कि कायर था, उसके बारे में बताते हैं कि उसके जो कस्टर्ड द ड्रैगन, कस्टर्ड जो ड्रैगन था उसके जो दांत थे, टीथ, वो काफ़ी नुकीले थे, एंड स्पाइस ऑन द टॉप ऑफ हिम, मतलब उसके टॉप, उसके ऊपर एक प्रकार की नुकीली सी सुई समझ लो आप, नीडल टाइप की थी, एंड स्केल्स अंडरनीथ, माउथ लाइक अ फायर प्लेस चिमनी फॉर आर नोज, एंड कस्टर्ड्स माउथ वॉज लाइक अ फायर प्लेस, and its nose works like a chimneys, and Trulio daggers on his toes, and the custard who was covered, its toes were like knives, they work like knives. And now these three stanzas were taught by me, and now you have to note these questions answer and try to find I am going to write some questions according to the stanza, and you have to find these answers as homework. Okay. First, read the following stanza and answer the given questions. Answer the given questions. Your first question: where did Valinda live? Where did Valinda live? Second question: how many pets did she have? Third question: which word in the stanza means carriage? And fourth question: whose young one known as kitten? Okay. These questions are your homework, and try to find out these answers. Tomorrow the next other stanzas will be taught, and having taught this poem, the summary will also be written. Okay, keep watching your videos sincerely and study well. Thank you very much.